Hello everybody, today we do this position and how to do it I will show you. First let's just start from the mouse, so we open hip and back. 2, 3, 4, 5, stay, and after that try to take back on ourselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, and stay. So take it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good work. Try to take this leg and open the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And try take this leg like that and try open in the side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And try to take hands in the side. So good work. Take 2 legs together. Take your breath. Slowly breathe out and go down. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So thank you so much. I hope that you like it. Subscribe and take me likes and send me some donate if you want to support my channel and see more better videos. So bye.